stamp style reusable device like Banisher 3.0, I think offers the best balance for control, for effectiveness, for cost, and for safety. Notice pinpoint bleeding immediately. A week later, some nice exfoliation of the skin. Very controllable needle lengths. The deepest needles available for this are 1 millimeter. So overall, a much safer device than the others. And a bonus is that it works for scalp and hair loss. Disposable Hydra needle, convenient but overly priced if you're getting them pre-filled with serum. I didn't notice the normal microneedling effects that you should have after a week, like the slight peeling and exfoliation. It's way too small and slow to benefit you on the body, and it really required very proper technique for it to work. Pen style device, very effective even after one use. Definitely saw the clinical outcomes that you would expect to see after microneedling, such as immediate pinpoint bleeding. I definitely do not recommend this for beginners. This is for experienced users. Other issues that I noticed is that I really wanted to clean the device while I was using it, moving from area to area, since it collected a lot of skin debris just in one treatment.